Hey everybody, Resto-Rob here. Today I got a quick tool haul for you that I've collected over the week and some really interesting things. So sit back, relax, and check out this tool haul. Here we have the home utility 5-inch sander polisher, Model 1. I picked this up for $1. The guy wasn't sure if it worked or not. Um, he looked at the bottom of the cord and said that he wasn't sure if it was going to work, so he could only charge me $1. So I just plugged it in. And it does work. So, smell that ozone. So we'll be working on that one. So next up is the rest of the tool haul. We'll start here. This is a Billings 1027. What is that? Probably 11/16 by 19/32. Here is these a 19/32 by 11/16 and a 5/8 by 3/4, and these are Barkalow Buffalo. So that'll clean up nice from my Barkalow collection. We also have this chrome vanadium steel 3/8 Barkalow. A drift punch Craftsman 3/16. A Proto Los Angeles 13/16 by 5/8. That's going to clean up nice. Found this made in Japan Mido 5 Kawasaki. I'm not sure what this is for. If you can tell me, let me know. Obviously, it's for Kawasaki, but what does it do on the Kawasaki? A lot of you will already know what this is. It's a snap-on. Rough shape, 9/16. We got a Par X, 9/16 by half. Or maybe 5/8. We'll know when we clean it up. We got ourselves an old Proto. We'll see how well this cleans up. It's just regular Proto, and I think it's a half. Can't really see very well, but it does say Proto. Okay. Just a masonry bit for a project. I came across this vintage Walden 3117 1/4-inch drive little breaker bar. Got ourselves an old pair of channel lock. That will clean up nicely. We'll definitely clean these up, and obviously the jaws are in good condition. Popular Mechanics tiny little flat blade. This is a Her brand. That'll clean up nice. This is a Super Slim, made in England. Got ourselves a quick wedge. That'll clean up really nice. This is my made in China Fukin wrench. Yep. Fukung. So I can walk around and go, hey, this is my Fukun wrench. A Weehaw. So found a Mac. Wood handle Phillips. Here I found an Armstrong extension. And a Powercraft 25-30 seconds. All right, folks. What was your favorite tool in that tool haul? I look forward to doing that Black & Decker sanding polisher. But a lot of cool tools in there. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll check you later.